My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, and media relations and marketing firm. I have over 35 years experience working in the industry for clients around the world in just about every niche possible.
Now, regarding pay-per-click campaigns, there are common ways to test to see if it delivers results when it comes to pay-per-click campaigns. Two of the most common methods are A/B testing and multivariate testing. But what other ways can you use this? Some uncommon methods will help you get more out of your PPC campaign. So here's just a couple ideas. You have your conversion funnel testing. That's a great way to test and see how effective your landing pages are. You can see if people convert from the ads to the landing page, and then onto the desired goal, like maybe signing up for a newsletter or making a purchase. If you don't see good conversion rates, you know that maybe you need to work on the funnel. Then there's click-through rate testing. These test how well your ads are resonating with customers, with users. You want to make sure that your click-through rate is as high as possible so that you're getting more traffic to your site. One way to do this is by testing different headlines and descriptions in your ads. Then you have test dynamic search ads. This way you'll find additional keywords and search trends for your website traffic. This research will help you gather more information and new keywords that could match your content. Then there's demographic data. That is important. So gathering demographic data on your customer for a next level audience test for you to give your audience the exact copy, headline, and information. This will help you get more sales from your PPC because people see exactly what they expect when clicking through an ad. Then you have content testing. So you can test your content to see what resonates the most with users. For example, are people more interested in learning about a certain topic or product? If so, you should continue focusing on that aspect of your business. On the other hand, if no one clicks through ads because they're not very interested in that type of subject, you'll have to change it up. Just some thoughts on ways to effectively manage your PPC testing.
Feel free to like, subscribe, comment, share this post with anybody you think would find it valuable. And don't forget, click the bell notification to find out about future videos. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I guarantee you through the years, I've done it all. Through my decades of working in the industry, I've learned a lot. I've learned from many mistakes, and I can help you put you in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me at 631-756-2486. You can also email me at PBARONOWSKI @Pristine Advisors. That's PRISTINEADVISERS.com. You can also find out more about me on my website at pristineadvisors.com. You can also find out more about me on my other website at PBARONOWSKI.com.